Hello students, hope all you are doing well in this lockdown. Today we will start the fifth chapter of your syllabus, the food and health. At first, we will know about what is food. So food is any material that we take in our meal. In another way, we can say that any organism, whatever they take in their meal is known as food. We take different types of food in our meal like rice, roti, chapati, bread, different types of dal, mutton curry, chicken curry, egg curry, etc. These all are the different types of food that we generally take in our meal. Now, each of this food is composed of several components, several substances that helps us to build our body, that also provides us energy to perform different body activities. These components present in the food also protects us from different diseases. Now these components that is present in a food is known as nutrients. So nutrient performs different functions. Number 1, nutrients gives us energy to perform different body activities. Number 2, nutrient helps us to develop our body, that is to build our body. Number 3, nutrient also helps us to protect our body from different diseases. In this way, nutrient helps us to build a healthy body. So, nutrients are the components of a food. Now, another term is also present, that is the diet. Diet is often used synonymously with the food, but these two terms are not same. Diet means any meal that we take in our breakfast, in our lunch, or in our dinner. That means diet contains different types of food. For example, in our lunch, we generally take rice, different types of dal, mutton curry, chicken curry, butter, ghee, different types of vegetables, right? So these are the food, and this food togetherly constitute the meal or diet. So diet contains different types of food, and food contains different types of nutrient in it. At first, we will focus on nutrients. Then we will discuss about the diet. So different food contains different types of nutrient in different proportion. Any type of food generally contains 5 different types of nutrient: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, etc. These 5 different nutrients are present in all types of food, but they present in different proportion in different food. For example, some food like rice, roti, bread, this type of foods generally rich in carbohydrate. That means in this type of food carbohydrate is present in higher amount, but the other component of a food are also present in these foods. Okay, in another example, like mutton, chicken, egg, different types of dals, These foods are rich in protein, but the other components are also present in it. But protein is present in higher amount, like that ghee, butter, oil, different types of seed. These food materials are rich in fat. In this way, we learned different nutrients are present in different proportion in different types of food. Now we will discuss each type of nutrient elaborately. At first, we will discuss the carbohydrate. These carbohydrates are generally present in different cereals like rice, wheat, maize, etc. This nutrient is also present in different types of green leafy vegetables like spinach, potato, etc. In different types of fruit like honey, bananas, fruit juice, etc. This carbohydrate gives us energy to perform different body activities. That's why carbohydrate is also known as energy giving nutrient. As the children performs different types of vigorous body activity like playing, studying, crying, etc. So they require much higher amount of energy. That's why their diet should be rich in carbohydrate nutrients. In another example, the hard workers like farmers, laborers, they perform hard physical activity, hard physical work. So they requires a lot of carbohydrate nutrient in their diet. Next, we will discuss fat. This nutrient is present in different types of oil, butter, ghee, in this type of food materials. This fat also present in different types of seeds also, like almonds, cashew, groundnut, etc. This fat also gives us energy. Previously, I mentioned that carbohydrate also gives us energy. And now I also mentioned that fat also provides us energy. But the difference is carbohydrate supplies energy instantly, quickly, but fat gives us energy when we are starvation. These fats remain stored in our body in beneath the skin around the different organs like around the heart, lungs, liver, kidney, in outside the different body organs. Next, we will discuss the protein. Protein is the building block material of our body. That means our body is made mainly by protein. That's why if you notice that the bodybuilders, they often take protein supplement after the gym. Why? Because this protein helps them to develop muscles. In another way, we can also explain this statement. For example, our hair, our nails, this type of things are also made by protein. Next, in our body, the blood is present and blood contains a special substance called hemoglobin that is responsible for the red color of our blood, and this hemoglobin helps us to carry oxygen from one tissue to another tissue. Now this hemoglobin is also made by protein. So in this way, we can understand that protein is the building block material of our body. That means our body is made by generally proteins. Next nutrient is the vitamin. This, this food component is present in small amount in every food material and helps us to protect our body from different diseases. So if our diet do not have sufficient vitamin, we will get diseased. Now these vitamins are of two types: fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins are the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And the water soluble vitamins are the vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin P. Now all these vitamins are present in the food. That means all these vitamins we get from the food except the vitamin D, because vitamin D is not present in food. We synthesize the vitamin D in our body in presence of sunlight. So vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. The next nutrient is the minerals. Like the vitamins, this nutrient is also present in small amount in every type of food, and they do not helps us in providing energy or building our body. Rather, they helps us to protect from different diseases. Some important minerals like calcium. Calcium play an important role in making our bones, teeth strong. We get calcium from different types of food material like different dairy products like cheese, curd, etc. The next mineral is the iron. This iron helps to make blood, and we get iron from different types of green leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage, different types of fruit like guava, banana, apples, etc. The next mineral is the potassium, sodium. These are also important minerals that requires our body very much. So these are the 5 different nutrients that are present in food. But besides this nutrient, some other components are also present in the food or also required by us. These are the roughage, water, etc. So what is roughage? Roughage is the component of food that are mainly present in plant derived foods. These are cannot be digested by us. So this component of food helps in clearance of undigested food material in our body. Next, the water. Water is present in every food in different proportions. But besides this, we also have to take water solely. This water is very much essential to stay healthy. This water helps us to digest the food and remove the waste material that are produced inside the body in the form of urine. This water also helps to absorb nutrients properly. A adult body requires 8 to 10 glass of water each day. Now we come to the balanced diet. At the beginning of the topic, I have mentioned the definition of diet. Diet means the meal that we take in our breakfast or lunch or dinner. Now, to build a healthy body, we should take such a diet that contains all the types of nutrient. So that type of diet is known as balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? So balanced diet is a type of diet that contains every type of nutrient in its proper proportion. For example, milk, egg, these are the example of balanced diet, because in this type of food all the types of nutrient are present in accurate proportions. So that is much for today. Next day we will discuss the remaining part of this chapter. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.